Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um, Today I went out to a mall and I met a bunch of people, which was very sweet. Um, I met like a mom and their daughter, I think, I assume, and they were like very sweet to me, which made my day absolutely. And like she even mentioned like some dad video, so my dad was all like, मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज लाइक सो एक्साइटेड ही वाज लाइक कि आज मेरी एक वीडियो पोस्ट कर दो मेरी एक वीडियो पोस्ट कर दो आई वाज लाइक कर देते हैं पोस्ट यार कर देते हैं चिल आउट सो it was pretty sweet and just also a bit scary because I'm I don't know how to like. Wow, I sound so pick me. I don't. Nobody's going to judge me for saying things out loud. But like, it feels weird to people. Cause like I had one AirPod on, okay, and I was just roaming around. We were just roaming around the mall, and like somebody just approached me. This one time, they were trying to approach me, and then my dad saw, and then my dad was like, hey, I was like, oh. So it's funny. I know it's going to just get more and more and more, which is sweet. I'm very grateful for everything, but like it's like so different, so like ajeeb, not in a bad way. I hope you know what I mean. I know you know. So yeah, that was insane. And then I've been very active on Twitter lately, so people ask me for follow backs, which is fine. Like, I don't mind following anybody back. Like, I would follow everybody back people who follow me, but limit lag jati hai. But when they ask me to follow them back, it's weird. Cause who the fuck am I, bro? Like, who the fuck am I? Yeah, it's just, I'm not mad. It's just weird when people put me on a pedestal, which is ironic because they will, because I'm influencer, creator, whatever, famous person on Instagram. But it's still weird because I do it with a purpose that I want to earn money. Okay, I want to get that bag. I want to do a lot of things with money. I will admit that I'm very materialistic, but I also do it because I want to do it. Of course, that's the first reason I started doing this. I wanted to do this. I wanted to talk to people. I wanted to help people out in any way possible, like a way in which I was not helped in my life. So I wanted to do that. Fuck, I forgot to turn off the fan. I don't know if you can hear me. Shit. Fine shit. रुको, पंखा बंद गिर गया. इसलिए माइक चाहिए भाई, इसलिए माइक चाहिए. आता हूँ यार, माइक भी लाता हूँ. So कैमरा थोड़ा ऊंचा नहीं है. So what was I saying? Shit. Fine shit बोला पंखे से पहले. Instagram. Yeah, why do I do this? Yeah, I wanted to be, an elder sibling to everybody, and people have felt that way, which I'm so like happy about. Ki the way that I wanted to be perceived, I'm being perceived that way to at least some of the people who follow me. So, but I never do it with a motive where people should put me on a pedestal. Ki bhai. So that just weirds me out, which is totally valid. People do that with online people who have a lot of followers. It's just that I don't do that, and I don't feel like an influencer who's like, yeah, like cool. I don't know. I'm also cool, but like I'm chill cool. You know what I mean? Like, I'm a different kind of cool. I feel like we both are the same kind of cool, but an influencer is not. Like, I'm too scared to even go into spaces. Abhi tak I have not been to any events or anything like that, but I think I would be so scared to be at an influencer event because I would just be like, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे. मैं स्टोरी डालता रहूँगा उस टाइम पे कि गाइस तुम्हें पता है ये ऐसा इंसान है, गाइस तुम्हें पता है इसने पता है अभी ये क्या किया मेरे सामने. I would, yeah, no, please invite me to events. I won't do that on my story. Yeah, so it's just silly to be like, क्योंकि मैं, तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है. मेरा ऑरा नहीं, मतलब मेरा ऑरा है मेरा फाइन शिट्स के सामने मेरा ऑरा है. बट इन जनरल व्हाट एम आई डूइंग भाई. मैं बेड में लेट के बातें कर रहा हूँ अपने फ़ोन से. इसमें मैंने क्या कर दिया ऐसा. सो इट्स जस्ट फनी टू funny to interact with people who are like, oh my god. Yeah, I'm just like, are, it's okay, yaar, it's okay. So that is that. What else happened today? Also, I was thinking, how am I gonna? Because I kind of befriended a lot of people on Twitter, like friendship. Okay, these are not the people I'm just like है Twitter पे लोग. कुछ लोगों से ऐसे मेरे को दोस्ती यारी होगी थोड़ी सी, little bit. Not going to lie. I'm sorry. I'm easy to befriend. So and I like them and I want to like friend them IRL because they live in Delhi. But like I can't do that. I can though. This is the problem. I can't make friends now. I can. I will make them my friend like sometime later, like a few months. Give me a few more months and I'm going to befriend everybody. Like befriend अच्छे से. Plus like I was just thinking about friendships in general. So I just thought it would be so scary because if that person knows me through like Instagram, it's going to be weird because either they will put me on a pedestal or they'll perceive me through my Instagram, which I don't want. Even though I'm 100% real on my Instagram, I think I talk about everything on my Instagram. I don't even post on my private account anymore. Like my main is my private account. I think the only like shit I don't post is probably like deep things which I post on YouTube about. And if it's too silly or if it's too, funny, not funny, but like just like a joke which I can't put it on a reel, I just tweet about it. So I think I have all three resources. Three outlets where I put like 3 different types of content, and a mixture of these 3 make me who I am. Do I make sense? So yeah, I don't know what I was saying, but yeah, I just I'm scared to make friends because I don't know what their motive is behind. Because a lot of people have tried befriending me because I have a lot of followers, which is scary and also just weird, like icky. Like why would you do that? Yeah, I don't know. Just a lot of things going on. I had more thoughts to give out. I forgot about it a little bit. Got a haircut. Wait, did I? No, it was in the last video also. Sorry, I forgot. It does not look like I got one because somebody said कि भैया ने काटे भी क्या ही है. But यहाँ से देखो ना, ऐसे देखो. ओ भाई, ये तो दिखाया ही नहीं मैंने स्टोरी में. ऐसे दिखाना चाहिए. Brown Munde. It's giving Brown Munde for some reason. I don't know. AP Dillon. AP Dillon is actually a very rude person. Saw him on stage. I did not willingly buy his ticket or anything. It was a free thing where I went. And he was mean to a cameraman. So, I don't like him. What was I saying, yaar? What was I saying? Met people, Twitter, Instagram. Yeah. I feel like I have so much. Like I have so many plans, you have no idea. I could make a video of an hour about plans that I have for social media and YouTube. Like there is so much I want to do and I feel like I'm not doing enough. And I know I am because I am making this video, I post on Instagram or whatnot. But I feel like I could do so much more. I could, but like I need to rest, bro. Like सॉरी मैं खुद ही को बोलने लग जाता हूँ, तो पॉइंट क्या है इधर बोलने का. बट हाँ मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि मैं बहुत कुछ कर सकता हूँ और मैं करता नहीं हूँ दिन में. मतलब आई कुड मेक गुड यूज़ ऑफ माई टाइम, even better use of my time, but I don't do it. I could be more creative because I have it in me. I have it in me to be more creative, but I just can't. I don't know. I get tired. I'm a tired guy. I'm chill. I'm not a chill guy. I'm a tired guy. I'm a chill tired guy, bro. I'm a chill tired guy. And just there is this. I do want to become this person I'm becoming. The person who talks to you guys or posts funny media on Instagram. I don't know where my Instagram is going, honestly. I've been confused lately. तो रीच नहीं आ रही है मेरे को ना पीक की आदत हो गई है. मेरी रीच थोड़ी सी भी होती है तो मेरे को सैड हो जाता है. तो अभी रीच नहीं चल रही है अच्छी, तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है वहाँ पे इंस्टाग्राम पे रहना. Nobody really cares about like भाई मेरे को नहीं आ रहे व्यूज भाई. Nobody wants to watch me anymore. But yeah, जो भी है मतलब मजाक, that's a joke. मैंने अपनी फ़ोन की नज़र उतरवाई आज इंस्टाग्राम खोल के. मुझे लगता है मेरे इंस्टाग्राम को नज़र लग गई है. So I hope it gets better. I think I'm gonna go off Instagram for a day or two. I'll mention that obviously, but I think I need a break because I've been too attached to it. The amount of followers, because like my followers had been increasing a lot every day, and it has been stuck above 185 for a few days now, like for more than a week. But हमारे एक हफ्ते में 7,000 8-10,000 बढ़ जाते थे. So because I've been on peak all the time, I थोड़ा सा भी downfall. This is not a downfall. I'm not losing followers. I'm still gaining followers, but at a very slow pace. And it's not even a very slow pace. It's a normal pace. I just feel like it's a very slow pace because I have been so fast forwarded with my followers and whatever. So because it has been so slow, it has been affecting my mental health a little bit. But I don't want to be a part of this rat race, and I don't want to be like, views, followers, views, followers. I think because now collaborations is also a part of my life on Instagram, on that account at least. That's why I chase followers and views more, because otherwise when I'm posting on that other account, Precious30444, I don't even look at the amount of views I'm getting. I just post because I like posting, and I used to do that with my main account also. But you know, we have to get that bag. Where do you think I am buying the mic from? Or where do you think my new phone will come from? That the money that I will get from Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, I mean, it's not like a big sacrifice or anything. That's why I made that other account, so that I can be as free as I want, and I can post whatever the fuck I want without thinking. Because I have to think a little bit about my main before I post. So what was I saying? What was the point of this? Yeah, with Instagram also I feel like I can do so much. I could do fashion also. I don't know, vlogs are always in. Also with YouTube, do you guys, if you're still watching, I don't know if you're still watching because this is not a very any topic video. I'm just talking topic video. This is not a topic based video. I'm just talking. What am I saying? I'm sorry. I was saying, have you guys seen study YouTubers, like who study on YouTube live? I actually study on this Discord server, Study Together. It's a video call thing. So I could, like, I do that like every time I study. So instead of that, I could just be on a live YouTube, and you are also studying if you want, and I can study. And then yeah, we could do lives that, and like we can take breaks in between. 30-minute ho gaya padhai and then 10-minute break, and we could talk. I've always wanted to do that, like since I got to know about this concept. I might do that. I'm very excited, but obviously uska pura setup wagera hoga, which is a lot of, but I will still do that if you guys agree. Like, okay, I can do whatever I want. I'm not doing it for the people. I'm doing this for myself. Yeah. So that's also something I want to do with my YouTube. Vlogging is there. Essay, video essays obviously are there. This is there. Yeah, there's just so much we can do, you know. And I do want to see myself as a person on YouTube in 2028 when I graduate. Oh my god, 2028 is so far away. But yeah, I graduate in May 2028, and I do see myself as a person who loves to vlog and who has a lot of people who are friends with him on Instagram, Twitter, whatever. I'm like, yeah, I get emotional whenever I see the regular people who comment and reply to my stories, and I sometimes interact with them, sometimes I don't. Sometimes people don't even know if I'm reading their messages, but I know they text me every day. So I know a lot of, like, probably not by name, but by their DPs at least. I know there's this one Harsh guy, I think, then Taha, if I'm pronouncing your name correctly, and then there's this person with Neend Paglu. Their username was Neend Paglu. And then there's a lot of people. I'm sorry if I did not name you. I swear I remember you. Like, I genuinely see you interacting with every single Twitter, or be it Twitter, be it YouTube, be it Instagram, you are everywhere, and I'm genuinely very, very, very grateful for all the support that you show me. I just love you guys so much, and I would like, that would be so crazy. Like, imagine 3 years later and we are still here, and I'm like, हाँ भाई क्या चल रहा है? And I'm like, wow, भाई crazy shit. Yeah, that's all. I plan to be, if I make it, guys, which I will make it. I plan to be a travel vlogger also, because I want to travel the world, and not in a just oh my god, battery low, and like not in a way where I just visit the country for like 10 days. No, I want to go to a country, visit like a few cities, and live there for a good few months. And if I like it, maybe more months, and like live their culture, eat their food and whatnot, like explore, live my life as a person in that country, city, whatever. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's something you can expect in 3 years. I'm really excited about everything. Just fucking crazy. Want to have my own merch someday, probably. I don't know, something musty only. I don't know what I will put out, but something cool. Want to have my own coffee brand. Emma Chamberlain who, bro? Emma Chamberlain who? And yeah, just fucking, I don't know. Want to have multiple meetups and meet all the people I interact with on Instagram and Twitter and YouTube, whatever. I want to meet every single one of you. I want to visit all the places where you keep telling me, हाँ जाओ इधर आ जाओ, पाकिस्तान आ जाओ, पाकिस्तान भी आ जाएंगे यार, दाल चावल खाते हैं यार, बहुत ईमो हो रहा है आज मेरे को, sorry. I love you guys. Bye bye. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you still haven't, yaar. Please. Can you do that for me? Come on, yaar. Come on. Okay. Love you. Bye bye. And this is something I would look back to in 2028 probably. Yeah, sweet something like to look back at. Fun. YouTube is so fucking fun. Like, you should also open a YouTube channel. Even if you don't want to post it publicly, there's this one thing, unlisted करके वहाँ पे post कर दो या private रखो, कुछ भी है. You should vlog. You should talk to the camera, not for an audience. Just talk. Imagine there is an audience that you want to talk to, and talk. Okay. Bye.